Announcing the arrival of the Chief of the Philippine National Police, Police General Nicolas D. Torre III, and she is being welcomed by Police Brigadier General Jezebel Imelda Medina, Director of the Health Service, for the foyer honors. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a warm applause for the Chief PNP. The Chief PNP will now sign in the visitor's logbook, and the Chief PNP is being assisted by Director Health Service and the Health Service Command Group. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. The Chief of the Philippine National Police, Police General Nicolas D. Torre III. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the Chief of the Philippine National Police, Police General Nicolas D. Torre III. Please be seated, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, and welcome in today's activity, the Do-It-Yourself Body Mass Index All-Inclusive Weight Assessment and Risk Evaluation with Police General Nicolas D. Torre III, Chief, Philippine National Police. Please all rise, and we would like to request Police Brigadier General Jaime Sereno III, Director of the PNP Chaplain Service, to deliver the invocation.
Let us acknowledge the presence of God and offer prayer. Glory and praise be upon you, Lord God Almighty. We give you thanks for the opportunity to launch our Do-It-Yourself Body Mass Index All-Inclusive Weight Assessment and Risk Evaluation, an important step towards promoting health, wellness, and self-awareness among our ranks. We thank you for the vision and dedication for health service who made this program possible, and for the opportunity to empower individuals to take charge of their well-being. Bless this initiative that will inspire responsible action, healthier lifestyle, and informed choices. With our active leadership of our Chief PNP General Nicolas D. Torre III, may this initiative mark the beginning for us to be more mindful and and health-conscious police officers of our country. All this we pray in your most gracious name. Amen.
Amen. Please be seated.
And now, the Director of Health Service, Police Brigadier General Jezebel Imelda Medina, will now deliver her welcome remarks.
To the men of action and principle, the distinguished first alumnus of the PNP Class 1993, tagapaglunsad to ascend as the Chief PNP, Police General Nicolas D. Torre III, sir. To our PNP Command Group, the Deputy Chief for Administration, Police Lieutenant General Jose Melencio C. Nartatis Jr., sir. To our Deputy Chief for Operation, Police Lieutenant General Robert T. Rodriguez, sir. And of course, our father, the Director of DPRM, Police Major General Constancio T. Chinayog Jr., sir. Ang ating mahal na First Lady ng Kapulisan, Ma'am Jane. Mga magigiting at masisipag na senior officer at mga kapwa-lingkod bayan sa buong PNP community at sa aking lingkurang pangkalusugan, family, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. It is with great pride and a deep sense of purpose that I welcome you all to the official launch of Do-It-Yourself BMI Aware program, a pioneering and transformative initiative in our continuing journey toward total health and mission readiness. This program signals more than just a shift in process. It represents a shift in mindset, from compliance to commitment, from awareness to empowered, consistent action. Through this DIY BMI Aware program, we encourage every PNP personnel to take ownership of their health at their own time, at their own pace, using simple tools that are accessible and personal. It is practical, cost-effective, and most importantly, sustainable. This is not just another wellness tool, it is a habit-forming, health-affirming way of life. Because what we choose to do for our health today will echo the quality of service we provide, our permanency in the organization, and our life beyond the uniform. As Romans chapter 12, verse 1 says, "Therefore I urge you, brethren, by the mercies of God, to present your bodies a living and holy sacrifice, acceptable to God, which is your spiritual service of worship." That wisdom is very hard to this program, empowering our personnel to live and serve with strength, self-awareness, self-care, and accountability. As we move forward, we will establish a DIY BMI stations to all our regional offices and integrate all our data into our medical record management system, or the MRMS. Setting the DIY BMI Aware program not just a policy, but a sound foundation to monitor and manage healthy weight among our personnel. To ensure consistent tracking, personnel with BMI outside the normal range will be monitored monthly, while those within normal BMI range will undergo screening every other month. Once again, I warmly welcome you all. Inspired by our Chief PNP's steadfast commitment to a 5-minute response time, I challenge each of you to take on a simple but meaningful call to action, committing to the DIY 5-minute exercise right in our workplaces. Buong-buo po ang suporta ng inyong PNP Lingkuran Pangkalusugan, kaya ang inyong lingkod, ang sigaw namin, kung nasaan ang pulis, nandun ang health service, because we don't just wait. Maraming salamat, mabuhay tayong lahat, at naway pagpalain tayo ng Diyos.
Thank you very much, ma'am. At this point, we would like to request everyone to focus your attention on the screen and watch the overview of the Do-It-Yourself Body Mass Index All-Inclusive Weight Assessment and Risk Evaluation in an audiovisual presentation.
Are you ready to take charge of your well-being? Introducing DIY BMI Aware. Do-it-yourself Body Mass Index All-Inclusive Weight Assessment and Risk Evaluation. A simple yet powerful tool designed to help you reach your healthy weight your way. Whether you're looking to maintain, lose, or gain weight, DIY BMI Aware serves as your personal roadmap for balanced and sustainable weight management. It's practical, it's empowering, and it's focused on one clear mission: a healthier you.
As part of the PNP Lingkurang Pangkalusugan, we understand that a healthy BMI isn't just a number, it's a reflection of readiness, strength, and resilience in service and in life. That's why we're proud to introduce this program with the use of Body Composition Analyzer paired with the unique health app to help you monitor, set, and track your health goals with ease.
The DIY BMI Aware initiative empowers you to take charge of your health at your own pace, in your own time, without disrupting your daily routine. It champions holistic discipline and long-term wellness, supporting you through every stage of life. Remember, true wellness begins with responsibility. Own your journey. Make the choice to live healthier, stronger, and better your way of life, your way to wellness. In just 4 months, health service personnel have reported significant improvements in their BMI scores, proof that the program is working. The DIY BMI Aware program has sparked a culture of proactive health management across the ranks, with visible transformations observed in as little as 3 months. Today, this initiative officially rolls out to all PNP units, our ongoing commitment to building a healthier, stronger police force. Our health, our responsibility.
And now to introduce our presiding officer, we would like to request Police Colonel Maria Nineta de Leon, Deputy Director of Health Service.
It is both an honor and privilege to introduce to you a true paragon of leadership in the police service, a man whose career spanning more than 3 decades of service exemplify integrity, dedication, and a profound commitment to the nation. Born on March 11, 1971 in Holosulu, he is a proud son of Mindanao, raised in a household rooted in public service. His mother, a dedicated teacher, and his father, a police officer. These early influences instilled in him the values of discipline, compassion, and a deep sense of duty to country. He is a proud member of the Philippine National Police Academy Tagapaglunsad Class of 93, and notably the first PNPA alumnus to rise to the esteemed position of Chief of the Philippine National Police, a historic milestone that brings immense pride to the Academy and its alumni. Never resting on his laurels, He pursued higher learning and earned his master's in business administration from the International Academy of Management and Economics, a reflection of his lifelong pursuit of excellence and self-improvement. He is also a highly trained officer. He topped all of his training courses, including the Provincial City Director's Qualification Course, training on police management, Pistol Instructions Certification Course, and the Human Rights and International Humanitarian Law Advanced Course, among others. This training shaped his strategic mindset and strengthened his values as a law enforcer, deeply grounded on both discipline and human rights. From his early years in Quezon City Police District, where he supervised high-impact anti-crime operations and training programs, to his leadership roles across regional police offices including Mimaropa, Central Luzon, Eastern Visayas, and NCRPO, he has consistently delivered results with professionalism, innovation, and a deep concern for the communities he served. As Provincial Director of Samar Police Provincial Office, he led 1,175 personnel to one of the most challenging provinces in Eastern Visayas and was awarded Best Senior Commissioned Officer of PRO 8 for 2018. In Batangas, he earned recognition as a Metrobank COPS 2013 finalist, a rare honor among police leaders. His expertise also led him to key national leadership positions, including Deputy Director of the PNP Academy, District Director of the Quezon City Police District, where he championed digital policing innovations such as drone-assisted crime monitoring and the full implementation of body-worn cameras in patrol operations. And eventually, he became Director of the Communications and Electronics Service. In 2024, he served as Regional Director of Police Regional Office 11, where he made headlines for leading the arrest of Pastor Apollo Kibuloy and 5 others for heinous crime, including human trafficking and sexual exploitation of minors. His uncompromising stance on law enforcement was again demonstrated as Director of the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group. He spearheaded the arrest and transport of former President Rodrigo Duterte to the International Criminal Court on March 11, 2025, a historic event that reflected his fearless resolve to uphold justice regardless of position or power. Among his strategic innovations is the now nationally adopted 3-minute response time policy, introduced during his tenure as District Director of the Quezon City Police District, a game-changing operational protocol that significantly enhanced police responsiveness and reinforced public trust in the PNP. He has received numerous accolades for his exemplary service, including the Medalya ng Pambihirang Paglilingkod, Medalya ng Mabuting Asal, and Medalya ng Paglaban sa Manliligalig, among many other merit medals that reflect the respect and recognition he has earned across all levels of the organization. At the core of his strength of his beloved family, his ever-supportive wife, Patricia Jade, and their 3 sons, Julius, Rod, and Bert, his pillars of inspiration and enduring joy. Truly, he is a results-driven leader, committed to the rule of law, integrity, and innovation in public service, a man of action and principle, and now, the 31st Chief of the Philippine National Police. Let us all welcome Police General Nicolas D. Torre III.
Please take your seats. Thank you very much, Colonel Ninita De Leon, the Deputy Director of the Health Service. Maraming salamat sa introduction. Parang pati ako bumibilib na sa sarili ko. At the outset, let me greet my wife, Patricia Jane Torre. Pag nakalimutan ko siyang i-greet, baka mamaya tapos na rin ang BMI ko. The command group led by Lieutenant General Nartate, sir, Lieutenant General Rodriguez, our DPRM, Major General Sinayog, and of course the lead unit, Brigadier General Jezebel Medina, the Chief of Staff of the Health Service, Colonel Janet Homo, the other members of the directorial staff, personal staff, the separate units, participants of this BMI Aware, and the other PCOs, PNCOs, and NUPs. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, magandang umaga sa ating lahat. I would like to be extemporaneous as of the moment. However, I better read my notes. Baka humaba ang aking kwento dito sa ating event. At bago matapos ang ating speech, ay payat na ang lahat. Gutom na eh. Today marks a crucial transformative step in our commitment to strengthening the physical and mental well-being of every member of the Philippine National Police as we launch this DIY, Do-It-Yourself BMI Body Mass Index Aware, the Do-It-Yourself, all-inclusive weight assessment and risk evaluation. This initiative, very simple, just a regular check of our body mass index and health risk evaluation, represents something much more meaningful. It is a bold statement that we in the PNP are taking charge of our own health, and it is a call for personal accountability, a pursuit of wellness, and a culture of proactive self-care. Alam naman natin lahat na para maging isang pulis, may mga actual requirements sa ating batas. And the principle is that sa isang malusog na pulis ay isang mahusay na tagapaglingkod. Our job demands the best from us, physically, mentally, and emotionally. And we cannot fully protect the public if we ourselves are not in the best of shape or best condition to do so. Through this program, we're enabling our personnel to monitor their health regularly, evaluate potential risk, and make informed decisions for their well-being by promoting regular BMI assessments, supported by medical checkups and guidance materials. We are not just addressing present concerns, but we are also addressing and preventing future health crises. Let us not take our health for granted. As we continue to fight crime, maintain peace, and uphold justice, let us also be warriors of our own wellness. Programs like this reminds us that we not only protect others, but we also protect ourselves. To the health service and to all those behind this effort led by Brigadier General Jess Medina, maraming salamat for turning this vision into reality. Your commitment that every member of the PNP has access to tools that promote long-term health and productivity is very, very commendable. Sa ating mga participants, the BMI Aware gives you the freedom to choose how you will manage your health. However, the health service can provide you the guidance if you want so. They will provide you the guidance on how you will do it safely, how you will do it properly. Ang ating mga katawan ay ating individual na responsibilidad. Okay? So walang pilitan kung ano ang gusto nyo gawin. Pero we'll be very, very strict in accordance with the law and in accordance to our regulations, especially on the physical fitness tests. Alam naman natin lahat yan, pinasok natin to, nagtaas tayo ng kamay, at yun ay isang sinumpaang tungkulin. Kaya kasama sa tungkulin yan ay sumunod sa dalawang bagay lamang. Isa sa batas, nandun sa RA 6975 na na-amend ng 8551, making weight and height, making the plus minus 5 kilos of the height, age, and sex requirement. And secondly, yung ating physical fitness test. We'll be very, very strict on that. Next, before the before our, or around August 8th, which is the PNP Police Service anniversary, I'll ask the HRDD to conduct physical fitness tests to be led by the generals to be covered by the media. So please be prepared for it because we'll be strict in those kind of activities. And as your Chief PNP, I'm fully committed to advancing wellness as part of our institutional priorities, which is aligned with our pillar number 2, unity and morale within the ranks. When we invest in our people, we invest in the strength and future of our entire organization. Let us embrace this program, not as a requirement, but as an opportunity, which is an opportunity to live better, serve longer, and lead stronger. Most importantly, let us have full, meaningful, and productive life. So at this point, maraming salamat. Ulitin ko aking pasasalamat sa lahat ng mga nagsagawa nito, at most especially sa mga participants for taking up the challenge. Sa ating mga online participants, napansin ko, we are online nationwide sa lahat ng ating mga health units at sa iba pang mga units all over the country. I would like to rally your support and rally your participation and involvement in this because hindi lang ito para sa organisasyon, kundi para ito sa ating mga sarili at sa ating mga pamilya. With that, magandang umaga po at maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, sir. Police General Nicolas Ditorio III, Chief Philippine National Police. Thank you, sir. And please be seated, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, the PNP Health Service highly appreciate the presence of our Chief PNP by presenting a memento. At the present memento, we would like to request the Director of Health Service, Police Brigadier General Jezebel Imelda Medina, and we would like to request the PNP Command Group to witness the presentation of memento. We would like to request our Chief PNP, sir, to rise. The memento presented is a mechanical personal scale, a symbol of result-driven leadership, and a meaningful token of commitment to the health and well-being of every PNP personnel.
Ito yung sura ko may dalang baril and everything. Tatayo ko niya sa scale. 2,000 lang, matatalo ko. Sigurado may makan 2,000 pesos sa kung sino ang makahula kung anong timbang ko sa ganitong setup. 2,000 pesos closest. Hindi pala muna. Dali. Volunteer muna. Volunteer. Volunteer, ilan? Volunteer. Sinong volunteer? Si... one. Hindi, volunteer muna, volunteer. Dito muna sa harap, yung malalakas na loob sa mga kuan dyan. Sige, sa likod. Tayo. Halika. Yung malakas na loob. Halika. 5 volunteers lang. 5 volunteers. Huwag na yung mga nakagawa. Chris, huwag na yung nakagawa. Yung doon na sa mga volunteers. Huwag na. General Sigon, yung mga volunteers sa baba lang. Yung sa baba na lang, huwag na kayo. 5. Sino pa? 2 na lang. Okay. 1, 2, wala na? Ilan? 4, pang-4. O pang-5. Sige, okay. Dahil sila lang volunteer, sila lang may chance na manalo, ha? For 3,000 pesos na lang. Sino sa inyo makahula kung ano ang weight ko ngayon sa setup kong to? Pinakamalapit, panalo ng 3,000. Aid, ready 3,000. Ang ibang nag-volunteer, hindi kayo kasali. Akin ang 3,000.
We will have the actual demonstration of the body composition analyzing machine.
Sige, number 1. Ito. Microphone. Ay, 3,000. Akin na. 3,000. Wala, hindi nakakita yan. Nakapatay.
Hello. Ayos, sir. Ang kilo ni sir ay nasa 82, sir. Kasama na, sir, yung inyong ano, sir.
Lahat na, ganito yung itsura ko.
Ay.
82.
Yes, sir. 82 kilos, sir.
82 kilos. Sige.
Yes, sir.
82. Sige, likan.
Sa mga 83, sir.
83.
Morning, sir. Ang hula ko, sir, 75, sir.
25.
Sir, 73.
Grabe naman. Huwag kayong matakot magsabi ng totoo, ah.
84, sir.
84. Alam nyo, kaya ko pinapahulaan, there's something that has to be done with our assessment sa mga weight natin, ano? Anong weight ko? Sabihin mo. Ayan, microphone, no? Magulat kayo dyan.
82.9, sir.
82.9. Yung sabing 83 ako. Ang nagsabi ng 83, yun ang malapit. 82.9. Maliwanag, ah. Oh. Kulang eh. Binukulan pa ako. 2,000 lang. Hindi, ito pala. Kala ko. Sige na, okay na. Thank you, ah. Oy, bigyan mo tayo 1,000 yung mga nag-volunteer. Ay, yung mga talo doon. Yung mga talo, ayun o, sa aid ko. Kumuha na kayo ng tig 1,000. Bilis! Ay, sos, mabagal gumalaw. Ayun o, sa aid o. Yung panalo na, huwag nang kumuha, ha? Kaya ka tumataba eh. Anyway, I'm taking this opportunity to ask the health service na may pang-Pilipino naman na assessment. Alam niyo ba ang ideal weight ko? 65. Ideal weight ko 65. Pag nag-70 ako, marami na nagtatanong sa akin, may sakit ako, wala eh. Sa ngayon, ang weight ko is 82.9, bali 83. But ang weight ko kaninang umaga, pag gising ko, wala itong lahat ng mga kurkurantong, yung bagong ligo, is 79. Taas, ang bigat ano? Wala naman akong tiyan. Kaya pinipilit ko kahit anong gawin ko. For one, TCDSer, andyan sa TDS office. Sa mga meeting natin, ang ating merienda, Skyflakes. Okay, no more snacks, ha? Baka nag-cater pa kayo dyan sa likod. Tapos BMI aware ang gagawin natin. May catering, magastos na. Pampataba pa. Counterproductive. Tapos lahat ng mga nandito, yung mga subsistence allowance, siguraduhin na napupunta sa mga sa misis at saka sa sino nagkokontrol ng budget. Dapat tipirin na talaga. Dahil pagkasunod na hindi pa rin tumaba, hindi pa rin pumayat, at tanggalin na lang natin subsistence allowance, sobra-sobra eh. But, seriously speaking, ang pag-maintain ng ating health ay sariling responsibilidad. Hindi lang kayo dyan ang laging ganyan. Napakaraming meeting na inaatinan ko, napakasarap ng mga pagkain sa harap ko. Pinipigil ko ang sarili ko para akong tinotorture. Ang iba kumakain. Ako ay kahit na anong gawin ko, talagang kailangan pigilin ang sarili. Talagang pagpipigil. Ganun lang talaga. Dumarating na tayo sa punto na nag-aral tayo, nagtrabaho tayo dahil gusto nating makain ang lahat ng gusto nating mabili. Magkaroon ng pambili para mabili ang lahat ng mga pagkain na gusto natin. Ngayong may pera na tayo, at pwede nating mabili ang mga pagkain na yan, bawal na. So, ganun lang talaga. Ibang usapan na lang. Jogging na lang, bilhin na lang ng sapatos para makapag-jogging na maayos. So once again, congratulations again. Maraming salamat, General Medina. Magandang umaga ulit sa ating lahat.
Thank you, sir. To our Chief PNP, sir, To our Chief PNP, sir. Sir, we have the actual demonstration of the body analyzing. We'd like to request our model, please. We'd like to request the Chief PNP, sir, to please rise, to be assisted by our Director Health Service. We'd like to request the PNP Command Group to witness the actual demonstration of this body composition analyzing machine. And we'd like to request Lieutenant Charmaine Oliva of the PNP General Hospital.
Thank you very much, sir. Good morning, everyone. We'll now proceed with the actual demonstration of the body composition analyzer. So this machine is a special device that measures the overall body weight of a person and its composition. So it will give us insights on what his body weight is composed of. So this machine is operating using bioimpedance analysis. So we'll start with the measurement. Kindly please step on the platform with your feet on the electrodes.
Both hands on either end. During data measurement, please extend your arms and ensure good skin contact with the electrodes. Keep your arms away from your sides. During data measurement, please extend your arms and ensure good skin contact with the electrodes. Keep your arms away from your sides. Measurement is complete. Please step off the body fat scale.
So after the machine have scanned, the result will automatically appear on the mobile application, sir. So this is what the result looks like, which is flashed on the screen, sir. So he is at 79.15 kilograms with his height at 170 centimeters. So his BMI is at 26.4, which puts him on overweight category, sir. His ideal body weight is 68 kilograms, sir. So he needs, the BMI is in between 18.5 to 24.9, sir. So currently, 26.4 po of his weight and height proportion, it's overweight. So, sir, this machine po, that is part of the formula, sir, ng machine natin, sir, using the BMI
Anyway,
WHO standard.
I'm directing the health service to tie up with the relevant Philippine authorities and especially health authorities, saka sa mga hospitals na may mga research regarding that matter. Because kung sa tsura niya 10 kilo overweight siya, may problema na tayo dyan sa ating standard. I do believe na may problema sa standard. Na? So, iba kasi ang komposisyon ng Pilipino, ng Asian, kaysa sa mga Caucasian. Marami sa mga to kasi. Pero yung tunay na malaking tiyan ng mga pumapalakpak dyan, bagsak pa rin kayo talaga, ha? Tinitira ko rito, pasensya na kayo, ha? Hindi madala sa palakpak yan. Jogging at dieta ang kailangan, ha? But we really have to re-examine the standards that's being fed to us by most of the time Western standards yan, no? Mga puti kasi kung titingnan mo mga binti ang liliit eh. Ang liliit ang mga binti. Ang papayat. So we have to study kung yung model natin 10 kilo overweight, hindi na talaga po pwede yan. Okay? So, HS, pag-aralan natin yung mga standard.
Mass photo, sir. We request for our mass photo, everybody please rise. And we shall have a group photo with the Chief PNP together with the command group. And we'd like to request all our photographers and videographers on the stage, please. Thank you very much. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause for the Chief PNP Police General Nicolas D. Torre III. Sir, thank you very much for gracing this occasion. Magandang umaga po, mabuhay ang Philippine National Police. At sa bagong Pilipinas, ang gusto ng pulis